Welcome to FortiManager 8.0, introducing major new features in centralized operation, automation, AI-driven troubleshooting, security governance, and scalable device management. I will highlight the most impactful new capabilities across central device management and policy operations. FortiManager 8.0 enhances new branch office deployment with the new FortiSwitch template override capabilities. So administrator can now apply a standardized switch template while selectively overriding port-level configuration for individual devices. This enables scalable deployment consistency while preserving flexibility for site-specific requirements. The device blueprint enhancements now integrate firmware templates, fabric authorization templates, and certificate templates directly into the device onboarding workflow. In addition, FortiSwitch, FortiAP, and FortiExtender templates can now be assigned directly from the fabric authorization template, streamlining zero-touch provisioning and accelerating branch office deployments. FortiManager 8.0 introduces major operational workflow improvements. Workspace mode now supports onboarding new devices and creating policy packages without requiring a full ADOM lock. This reduces administrative contention and improves parallel operation efficiency across large teams. Workflow mode has also been redesigned with selective approvals controls, which are tied to individual administrator sessions, improving governance, change tracking, and operational accountability. FortiManager 8.0 significantly expands AI-driven operation with new agentic AI capabilities. FortiAI Assist improves diagnosis, troubleshooting, and remediation of slow access to cloud and on-premises applications by using telemetry-driven analysis and recommends automated remediation workflows. Supporting this architecture is the new Model Context Protocol, or MCP framework, which standardizes communication between FortiAI assistants and automation agents. FortiManager 8.0 introduces several important security and compliance enhancements. Post-quantum cryptography is now available to support TLS communication, including administrator GUI access to help organizations to protect the sensitive data and critical infrastructure from the future quantum attacks. Local certificate lifecycle management now includes validity configuration, renewal monitoring, and expiry alerting. Private data encryption have been expanded with password field detection during the configuration import to better protect sensitive information. For compliance and software transparency, FortiManager can now export third-party open-source software inventories in different formats, including CSV, JSON, and CycloneDX SBOM. Policy management in FortiManager 8.0 becomes more granular and resilient. We have local in policy, which are now supported in the global ADOM and within policy block. Recurring policy package installation can be scheduled with custom intervals to ensure continuous policy synchronization across managed FortiGates. Role-based access control is significantly expanded with more granular permission for device manager operation, security fabric, interface-level configuration, firewall objects, address groups, and firewall policies. Custom administrator session identifiers can now also be used to improve auditing and operational traceability. In conclusion, FortiManager 8.0 delivers smarter automation, stronger governance, AI-assisted operation, and scalable centralized management, helping enterprises operate faster, more securely, and with greater efficiency. Thank you for watching.